Hello, today everyone. In this such beautiful day, I'm going to give you the answer for this interesting question about Q-tips. And here is a question: what does the Q in Q-tip stand for? Well, now I give you the answer for this question, and right after that, I'll give you a bit more explanation about the answer. And here is the correct answer for the question. The answer for the question is quality, and here is a bit more explanation about the answer. Absolutely, the Q in Q-tape signifies quality. Leo Gerstenzang initially conceived the idea for Q-tips after observing his wife affixing beads of cotton to toothpicks. Recognizing the ingenuity behind this method, he embarked on producing pre-made cotton swabs. Initially, these swabs were labeled baby gaze. What? For the initial 3 years, later evolving into Q-Tip's baby gaze, before ultimately being simplified to just Q-Tip. So that is the answer of the question. Quality, that's the correct one.
Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.